Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Are you picking between Vue and SvelteKit, the two popular ways to build websites? Then let's break down what makes each one special. Vue is a JavaScript framework. It's been around since 2014. Think of it as a toolkit for building websites. It's known for being easy to learn. You write your codes in files that look a lot more like regular HTML, and this makes it friendly for beginners. Vue comes with Nuxt. That's its full stack partner. Nuxt adds routing and server stuff right out of the box. It's great for building complete websites without much setup. Next, SvelteKit. It's different. It's built on Svelte. Svelte takes your code and turns it into super clean JavaScript before it runs. No extra baggage. This makes your website faster and lighter. SvelteKit is a complete package. It handles routing, pages, and server work all in one. You just create files and they become pages automatically. Here's where things get interesting though. Svelte is tiny. We're talking 1.6 kilobytes small. Vue is bigger at around 34 kilobytes. That means SvelteKit loads faster, especially on phones. But here's the thing. For most websites, both are fast enough. You won't notice much difference unless you're really pushing the limit. Vue is easier to start with, the guide is clear, the syntax feels natural, and if you know HTML, you're basically halfway there. SvelteKit is simple too, but it works differently. Everything is reactive automatically, no special commands needed, and many developers say it's more fun to use. Vue has a huge community, more tutorials, more job listings, more people who can actually help when you're stuck. SvelteKit is smaller but growing fast. Companies like Spotify and IKEA use it, and the community is really enthusiastic. So, which one should you pick? Choose Vue if you want lots of support, need to hire developers easily, or want a proven solution. It's safer and reliable. Choose SvelteKit if speed matters most, and you want clean, simple code, or you're building something super performance critical. Both are excellent choices. Vue is the steady veteran, and SvelteKit is the exciting newcomer. Pick based on your needs, not the hype, and thanks for watching.